Hello everyone, this is Edward from Teaching Practicum 1 and I will give you examples on how you can apply your lesson plan in a classroom. Here you can see my lesson plan. My grade is 7th grade. The unit is daily routine. The topic is adverbs of frequency, sometimes, never, and always. And the objective is that the students will be able to show the use of adverbs of frequency through small sentences, writing and speaking about their daily routines. The methodology is direct method and communicative approach. Over here, I have two questions that you need to answer before planning a lesson. Question number one, what should the students understand regarding the topic? In my case, with this lesson, a student should understand that in the same way that in Spanish, adverbs are an important part of the language because they help us to express how often an action is done. Then we have the question number two, that is, what should they take away from the topic at the end of the class? As students, they should be aware that now they can talk about their daily routine in a general way, but also acknowledge that there are way more activities they do every day that they don't know its name. So you will make them inquire more about this topic so they know the name of other activities they do daily. I will present you my lesson plan. I will present you right now the warm-up activity that I have. In the warm-up, I bring to the classroom some pictures with different daily routine activities. I paste the pictures on the board without any order, and I ask students to observe. Then I ask two or three students, depending on the time, to come to the board to observe the pictures and organize them according to their daily routine. Then I also present to you my introduction on where I place the pictures on the left side of the board, and on the right side of the board I write the name of the different daily routine activities presented in the pictures. In the introduction, I ask two or three students to come to the board again to match the pictures with the name of the daily routine activity. The next stage is the presentation of material. It's the wild stage, on where I place a poster. This is the poster of the adverbs of frequency of the board. I tell students that adverbs of frequency are words that describe how often something happens, and I also let them know how they can use how often to ask about the frequency of an activity. Then I also have two activities to practice. This is activity number one, on where students they have to write on their notebook the following. They will have to write one activity they always do, one activity they sometimes do, and one activity they never do. Then we also have the second activity to practice, that is a board game. In this board game, students they have to join in pairs. They will receive a handout provided by the teacher, and they need to have also a pencil. So students they have to place the pencil in the middle of the handout and make it spin. So they make a sentence using adverbs of frequency. And at the end, we have the evaluation of this topic. Here I have a pop quiz. Students have to complete a pop quiz. They have to read carefully, and they have to fill in the blanks with the right adverb of frequency. Remember, this is the part where you see if your objective was accomplished or not in the evaluation. This has been my video. I hope you have enjoyed and have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.